Good morning, class. As we discussed the topic construction of triangle in the last class, and under it the topic is construction of a triangle when the length of two sides, and measurement of angle between them are known. We have learned that how can we construct it. Now, chapter 10. The name of the chapter is Practical Geometry. And under it the topic is construction of triangles. Construction of triangles, and today's topic is constructing a triangle. Constructing a triangle when the measure of when the measurement of two of its angles and the length of the side including between them is given. Constructing a triangle when the measurement of two of its angles and the length of the side included between them is given. So the example for this, that is example number 3 from example number 4. Construct a triangle XYZ given that the measurement of the side XY equals 6 centimeter and the measurement of angle ZXY is of 30 degree and measurement of angle XYZ is 100 degree. Now, first we write the step, that is step first. Draw a line segment. XY which is equals to 6 centimeter, and step 2 now from point X draw an angle of 30 degree and from point y, draw another angle of, don't try this is setting it, with the with the help of with the help of with the help of ruler and compass. Note down till here. The third, draw another angle of 100 degree from point y, with the help of protector. With the help of protector. Step 4, the rays of angle 60 degree and 100 degree intersect each other at a point at a point, thus thus here is the triangle x y j. Note it down. Now we will draw a figure. We will do the construction part by figure. First, according to the steps of construction, we have to draw a line segment XY of measurement 6 centimeter, and from point X we have to draw angle measurement 30 degree. From point X we have to draw an angle of 30 degree. An angle of 30 degree from here, with from X as the center. From X as the center, and on a specific radius, draw an arc, and from with the same radius draw another arc on this and another. Now here is your angle 60 degree, and you have to then you have to find a bisector of 60 degree, that is 30 degree, and from this with the same distance make an arc here, and from here with the same distance make an arc here. Here is your angle of 30 degree. Okay, and from Y with the help of protractor draw an angle of 100 degree. Here is the intersecting point and name it as Z. Now here is your triangle XYZ, in which XY equals to 6 centimeter and angle ZXY is of 30 degree and angle ZYX is of 100 degree. Make the figure, then we will do the revision. Now we will do a quick revision. First we have to draw a line segment XY, measurement of 6 centimeter. Then from point X and with a specific radius draw an arc, and with the same radius draw another arc. Here by joining this arc to the X, here is your angle of 60. Here is the angle of 60 degree. By this you find an angle of 60 degree, and you have to find its bisector. For that, with the same radius and from center here, draw an arc like this, and with the same radius draw an arc like this and join it. It is of 30 degree angle. Now from point Y as a center, you have to draw an angle of 100 degree with the help of protractor. Now we will do another example. Example 5. Construct a triangle DEF in which EF is of 4 centimeter and angle DEF is of 60 degree and angle BFE is of 30 degree. First, we have to draw the line segment here. The measurement of TF is 4 centimeter and from point E as the center and with a suitable radius, draw an arc and with the same radius and put the point of your compass here and with the same radius cut an arc here. Here by joining these 2 points, here is your angle of 60 degree and from point F you have to draw the angle of 30 degree. For that, draw an arc, from center F and with a suitable radius and with the same radius and put the point of your compass here. Make an arc here and by joining these 2 points, here is your angle of 60 degree and you have to draw 30 degree angle. For that, you have to find the bisector of this 60 degree angle, which is made on the point F. Now for that, put the needle to the point of your compass here and with the same radius, draw an arc here and put the point of your compass on the base on the intersecting point of the base and make another arc which cut this arc on this point and now join this and extend it. When you extend it, it is look like this. It looks like this. Here is your angle of 30 degree. Now we will do it again. First we have to draw line segment here of 4 centimeter and from point E we have to draw an angle of 60 degree. Now join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Now from point F you have to draw an angle of 30 degree. For that, draw an arc with center as F and from point put the needle of your compass here and with the same radius draw an arc here. When you join these 2 points, you get the angle of the 60 degree. Now you have to find the bisector of this 60 degree angle for making an angle of 30 degree on the point F. For that, with the same radius draw an arc and put your needle here as the center and draw an arc here and from put your needle here and draw an arc like this. And when you join these 2 points, Here is your intersecting point, name it as B. Now here is your triangle DEF, in which angle DEF of 60 degree and angle DF is of 30 degree and EF side EF is of 4 centimeter. Note it down. Now note down your homework. Exercise 10.4. All questions. Thank you, class. It's all over for today.